Organizing ideas for cause and effect essays. Hello learners! Today, we'll dive deep into the world of cause and effect essays. We'll explore how to effectively organize your thoughts and evidence using outlines. Remember, creating a clear outline can make the writing process much smoother and more efficient. A cause and effect essay examines the reasons, or causes, for an event, situation, or behavior and the outcomes, or effects, that result from it. This type of essay requires a clear connection between the cause and its effect. Example: cause, continuous deforestation; effect, increased levels of CO2 in the atmosphere leading to global warming. An outline is a structured plan for your essay. It helps you 1. Organize your ideas logically. 2. Ensure that you have supporting evidence for your claims. 3. Identify the main points you want to discuss. 4. Offer a clear direction for your writing, reducing chances of going off topic. When creating an outline for a cause and effect essay, it's essential to identify the main cause, secondary causes, main effect, and secondary effects. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Identify the main cause and effect. Write down the primary cause of the situation or event. Note the main effect, result of that cause. Step 2. List secondary causes and effects. Under the main cause, list any secondary causes that might contribute to the primary effect. Similarly, under the main effect, list any secondary effects. Step 3. Gather supporting evidence. For each cause and effect, gather evidence or examples that support your claim. This can be statistics, anecdotes, expert opinions, or facts. Step 4. Organize the causes and effects. Decide on the structure. You can 1. Chronological. Discuss causes and effects in the order they occurred. 2. Order of importance. Start with the most crucial cause, effect, and move to the least important. 3. Categorical. Group causes or effects by categories or themes. Here's a sample outline for better understanding. Topic: the effects of online learning on students. 1. Main cause: shift to online learning due to the COVID-19 pandemic. A. Secondary causes: technical issues faced by students. Lack of face-to-face interaction. 2. Main effect: a significant change in students' learning habits. A. Secondary effects: increased flexibility in learning schedules. Feelings of isolation among students. Development of self-discipline in some students. 3. Supporting evidence. 4. Surveys showing an increase in student preference for asynchronous learning. 5. Studies indicating higher levels of student anxiety during online learning. Creating an outline for your cause and effect essay not only helps you stay organized but also ensures that you present a clear and logical argument. We hope this video helps you in drafting effective cause and effect essays. Happy writing!